Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to Glenmuir Haven, a quiet and safe community located in May Pen Clarendon. This lovely home consists of 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, kitchen and dining rooms. This is a split-level house where you can discover cash flow potential. With some sections of this house unfinished, you can complete this to suit your personal taste. This house sits on 0.23 acres of land. Don't be afraid to seize this opportunity. Get in touch with your favorite realtor today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 34 million or US $220.9 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.